Hi, teachers. This is just to give you guys an idea of what the graduates should look like when they get to you. Kylie, you might come step a little closer for us. The tassels will be on the right, and you can help them remember this by saying it starts on the right and it goes to the left, because as sad as it is for me to say this, ready to leave. That helps them remember. So they're ready to leave, starts on the right, then they will move it to the left as instructed during the program. Their stoles are out like this. Some of times our boys like to put their ties outside. There's nothing outside, just the stole looks like that. If they received pins, you can see on Kylie, maybe you can lean in a little bit. You may have to get a little closer. The pins, they're going to be on the left. Miss Salma, you want to point? I don't want to point across her. And if they only have one, it's going to be on the very bottom, like this. Like this is the bottom one. It starts there, and then they move up. If they have multiple pins, so they have 4 or 5 or 6, they can put any more than 3 needs to start on this side. So if they have 4, then they can have 2 here and 2 here and split them apart. Well, I'll attach some pictures too.
Start kind of even with the bottom of the C and put the first one, work your way up to 3, and then come on over here to this side, even on this side symmetrically, and then work your way up there.
Yeah. But if they have like 4, they could do 2 and 2 so it doesn't look lopsided. So.
Okay, that sounds great.
Thanks, model Kylie Merrick.
Well.